Welcome back, fourth graders. Thanks for watching some more math videos. Hope these help you get through your Zearn lessons this week. This is for lesson 3. It's all about converting units of time. There's also some videos posted with some YouTube songs from Number Rock, and then there's a Storybots one about units of time, so you can check those out for fun too. Mostly we're looking at seconds to minutes or minutes to hours. Okay. All right, so they will give you some tables like this to convert how many minutes are in 1 hour. Okay, they usually start with the simple ones to make sure you're getting it. So the rule for converting hours to minutes, or minutes to seconds actually, because there are 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in a minute. So whatever they give you, you're just multiplying by 60, okay? And then how many hours in 1 day. Hopefully you are familiar with this, so it's not new information. It's just applying some math to figure out these problems. So the rule for converting days to hours is just to multiply by 24, because we have 24 hours in 1 day. Okay, so just take whatever number they give you, multiply by 24. Again, you'll probably need some scratch paper, but you can do it. All right. They will also give you some, just like we saw in the other lessons, some mixed units. So again, you're just going to look at what they want. They want minutes. So we have to switch hours to minutes first. So 9 hours off to the side if you need some scratch paper. Multiply by 60. Okay, that's 540. 6 times 9 is 54. Add 30 more minutes to that. So that would be 570 minutes, and they even label it for you. Okay, so just convert the first thing that they give you to the unit they're asking for, and then add the extra in, and you should be fine as long as you don't make little silly math errors. Okay, lesson 4 is all about story problems. And it would have taken me forever to do all of the work with this silly little tool. So I wrote out the steps that we'll need to do ahead of time. But let's look at the problem. It says Helen has 4 yards of rope. Okay. Daniel has 4 times as much rope as Helen. How many more feet of rope does Daniel have compared to Helen? So we know with how many more we're going to end with a subtraction problem, and we need our answer to be in feet. So to get there, we have to start with the information they gave us. So Helen has 4 yards, and Daniel has 4 times as much. So 4 times 4 is 16. So this is the number of yards of rope that Daniel has. And then because our answer has to be in feet, we're going to take all of the information we have about how many yards of rope they have for Daniel and Helen, and multiply them by 3, because we know there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay, 3 times 6 is 18. The 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So now we have how many feet of rope Daniel has, and then Helen has 12 feet of rope. Okay. So the difference in feet, because they're asking how many more feet of rope does he have, is we have how many feet Daniel has, take away how many Helen has to find the difference. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 4 minus 1 is 3, and you better label your answer in feet. And then if there's lots of work, I always tell my kids to answer or to circle their answer so that we know which one of these numbers is the actual answer to the problem. Okay. All right, on Zearn, for lesson 5, it's just a review of converting different units that you've used from lessons 1 through 4. So use the anchor charts from this video, or pull up that PDF, that other document, this one, okay, that's on the 4th grade website, and that will help you. You'll be just fine. Watch your little math mistakes, otherwise you should be just fine. Okay, and that is it for this week. We want you done with lesson 5 by Friday. If you're ahead already, you can keep zooming through module 7, or you can do some work on Prodigy or just some extra fact practice this week. All right, have fun doing math.